the tip of the week. Isopropanol, and I might refer to that as IPA here in this video, is one of my very favorite cleaning solvents for my ATR. It's not super volatile where the vapors can overwhelm the sample compartment, like sometimes I find with, say, acetone or some other cleaning solvents. But how do you tell if some isopropanol vapors do get into your spectrum? Well, it's really easy to tell, and let's take a look at a couple of spectra and you can see for yourself. So I collected two today, one in the liquid phase using the Miracle Single Reflection ATR, and I also collected a spectrum of IPA vapors just in transmission. I used 8 wave number resolution. Now notice at the shorter wavelength, especially at 3700 wave number, there's a band in the vapor that's not in the liquid. Now what this band is non-hydrogen bonded OH stretch. So if you should see that band in your spectrum or in your background, start thinking, where did that come from? And a couple places you can look is to make sure your purge tubes are set up, or somehow you didn't have a leak where maybe you put too much IPA on your plate to clean it and maybe it worked its way underneath the plate. So in any case, find the source and eliminate it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.